Why do you need to buy 10 Neighbor coins now? Hey, and welcome to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we want to let you know that this video is not financial advice and we're not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, let's head into the video. Are you also curious about the NFTs roaming on the blockchain? Do you also want to own some land NFTs and hold them as if they were a real asset? Your idea can be profitable since the NFT marketplace is growing like never before. The prices of the early created NFTs are touching the sky, while the new NFT projects are also making record sales. So, should you also invest in NFTs and go with the trend? But what if NFT doesn't increase its value? Well, your profit chances may fade away here, but what if you could buy some NFTs that can give you a passive income? Yeah, you heard that right. Just owning NFTs is a thing of the past because now you can have a passive income source using them. But what should you need to do to own such NFTs and get a handsome passive income? This is where you need to know about the Neighbor and Neighbor Coin. The Neighbor is a game where the in-game asset is an NFT, from all properties to buildings to home decors, and you may think about investing in such an attractive project, right? Buying Neighbor Coins is the first step you need to take. But why? Well, let's find out. Why do you need to buy 10 Neighbor coins now? But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to watch more updates and insightful videos about the crypto world. Let's get started with what is the Neighbor and Neighbor coin? The Neighbor is an NFT-supported metaverse-style crypto game built on the blockchain that makes the NFT's utility more practical. In simple words, the Neighbor is a game that encourages the idea to buy, hold, sell, and take advantage of the NFTs to make a good sum of money. The Neighbor is basically a game where players can buy land and properties, including already built houses, units, and flats to get involved in virtual real estate. This is a game that wants to shift real-world real estate to the virtual world of a metaverse, where players are not limited by anything. Earlier, owning NFTs meant having something of value that can increase its price in the future if demand goes up. We had to wait until that particular NFT could become famous enough and we could sell that at a higher price. But the Neighbor turns the NFT market and presents a concept no one earlier thought about. Instead of just holding NFTs, the Neighbor lets you use them to earn passive income no matter whether your NFTs are famous or not. The gameplay of the Neighbor looks more like other crypto games, but it mainly focuses on real estate. And that does not mean it's limited to anything. Everything you see in the game holds value because they're NFTs. Every in-game asset has been categorized into three types of NFTs: ultra rare, rare, and common NFTs. The moment you buy any home, unit, or suite, you can start to decorate it by showcasing NFTs of different art pieces. Imagine your dream house and see what you would want to display in it. All the paintings, premium furniture, decoration, and everything can be customized, right? In the same way, you can customize and add anything you want in your home to increase its value. But how will you buy the property? This is where you need to know about the Neighbor coin, the native token of the game, the Neighbor. All your dealings and buying and selling would be done using Neighbor coin. Thus, the coin has utility. There are different types of properties you can buy and sell depending on the prices. You can buy a condo for 4 Neighbor coin, a family home for 7, and a mansion for 10 Neighbor. Once you've bought it, you can start decorating it, and then you can start to earn money just by owning the NFTs of the property and art pieces you have in your home. The reason why you earn is not from the rent, rather, you're paid by the project due to the profit they earn. When you buy any property in exchange for Neighbor, you actually buy the Neighbor nodes that help expand its network. Holding that property means holding the nodes, which means you're investing in the game directly. Something to note here is that you'll buy properties using Neighbor and also get Neighbor when you sell any of your units. Thus, buying Neighbor is the first step to buying the property and starting to receive a passive income. But how much money can you earn as passive income? Imagine you buy a condo for 4 Neighbor. You can start to make about 0.03 Neighbor per day if you hold it. Also, you can increase this passive income to 0.04 Neighbor per day if you use Decor NFTs. In the case of buying a family home for 7 Neighbor, you can get a passive income of 0.06 Neighbor per day, while adding the Decor NFTs can boost that up to 0.08 Neighbor per day. But if you're willing to own a mansion for 10 Neighbor, you can make 0.1 Neighbor per day, while the Decor NFTs can take it to 0.13 Neighbor per day. And this is where you may ask, why do you need to buy 10 Neighbor coins right now? Imagine you have a mansion in the Neighbor and added some Decor NFTs to it for elegance. Now you can start to make about 0.13 Neighbor per day and continue to do so as long as you don't sell the mansion. Within just 80 days of buying the mansion and holding it, you can make about 10.4 Neighbor. What it really means is that you can get your investment back within 80 days of your investment, while your principal investment would be safe and continue to bring more Neighbor. That's the very reason why you need to buy at least 10 Neighbor to own a mansion and start pocketing a passive income. But that does not mean you should be limited to only buying 10 Neighbor. The more you buy Neighbor coin, the more you can buy properties and the more you can get a passive income. In turn, you can pocket some of the passive income while reinvesting the rest of it again to increase your overall investment. You're paid in Neighbor coin, which means you can sell the coins on any exchange and use the money for anything you want. This is just one method to make money from the Neighbor without actively doing anything inside the game. You don't have to spend hours playing the game and collecting in-game assets to make a little sum of money. Rather, own as many properties as you can in the game and be a real estate mogul in the metaverse. You don't actually buy and sell real estate in the real world because doing so in a metaverse like the Neighbor is much easier and more profitable. Imagine having 1,000 Neighbor coin and buying about 100 mansions in the Neighbor. You can get your 1,000 Neighbor back within the first 80 days. You'll have 1,000 Neighbor as extra income while those mansions would still be yours. Also, after 80 days, you'll continue to get an income for as long as you don't sell your mansions. There are literally no limits to the amount of money you can earn from the Neighbor. You just need to have more properties and wait for days to pass to bring rewards to you. Did you know that now, with owning NFTs, you can get income without doing anything at all? Don't be shy. Comment below in the comment section. Would you want to only have 10 Neighbor coins to buy the property or more? Also, here's that reminder to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to never miss more amazing videos about the crypto and gaming world. Until the next video, stay tuned.